Hello and welcome to the second video. In the first part, you've learned what chemistry is, what matter is, and its three states. This time around, we will tackle the two concepts often used synonymously and interchangeably. The two criteria of matter based on its definition are volume and mass. We all know that volume is the space occupied by the matter, and this time we will talk more about mass. So, what is mass? Mass is the measure of quantity of matter in an object. It talks about the amount of matter present, which means the higher the value, the more matter is present. But what is weight? Isn't it the same as mass? Strictly in science, weight is different from mass. It is the force that gravity exerts in an object. Therefore, weight is dependent on the pull of gravity. So let us now try to visualize. If you will transfer from Earth to Moon, as what you could see here in my drawing, the picture, your mass will remain the same because you still have the same amount of matter present in your body. But your weight will become different because of the different amount of force exerted by the gravity, which is lower. If we put it in analogy, gravity is like a spring attached to an object. Here on Earth, the spring is sturdy and firm, while in the moon, if you will be transferring, the spring is lighter and softer. So you could see here. Now, this is the reason why in the moon, if we're going to see astronauts, I'm going to use here as an example is this picture. Astronauts in moon can make their jumps higher and they become almost weightless. To further check your understanding, let us have another example. This time, I'm going to use a tennis ball. Will the mass of a tennis ball remain the same when it is in Earth and when it is transferred to the moon? Think. Yes, very good. Its mass will not change. Whether you place the ball in Earth or in moon, the amount of matter present in the ball does not change. But what about weight? What will happen to the weight of the tennis ball if we transfer it from strong gravity Earth to the moon that has weaker gravity? Will the weight change? I want you to think about it. What is your answer? Okay, let us see. The weight of the tennis ball will be lesser in the moon compared with the Earth, simply because of the difference in their gravity. Earth has a stronger gravity, therefore, it pulls stronger, while in the moon, it has weaker gravity. Therefore, it pulls weaker to objects, making the weight of the objects lesser. Let us now sum it up. Mass is the amount of substance or matter. Therefore, it will remain the same as long as you don't add or remove parts of the object, wherever and whenever. Unlike mass, weight is different and dependent on the strength of gravitational pull. The stronger the gravity, the bigger the weight is. And the lesser the gravity, the lesser the weight is. Earth has a stronger gravity compared to the moon. That is why in moon you can jump higher than LeBron James, and that will be cool and awesome. And these are the concepts of mass and weight. Thank you very much.